If you need to reset two-factor authentication on your Yahoo Mail account, follow these simple steps to regain access and enhance your account security. Step 1. Sign into Yahoo Mail. Go to the Yahoo Mail login page and enter your username and password. If you have trouble logging in due to two-factor authentication, click on Forgot Password to recover your account. Step 2. Access account security settings. Once logged in, click on your profile name in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Info and then navigate to Account Security to manage your two-factor authentication settings. Step 3. Disable two-factor authentication. In the Account Security section, find the option for two-factor authentication. Toggle the switch to turn it off. You may need to verify your identity through a code sent to your registered phone number or email. Step 4. Re-enable two-factor authentication. After disabling it, you can re-enable two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to set it up again, choosing your preferred method for receiving codes such as via SMS or an authentication app. Step 5. Test the new setup. Once you have re-enabled two-factor authentication, log out of your Yahoo Mail account and log back in. Ensure that you receive the verification code as expected, confirming that the reset was successful. By following these steps, you can effectively reset your two-factor authentication on Yahoo Mail, ensuring your account remains secure. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Yahoo support for further assistance.